Hello, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Happy Kite Festival to you. Today we have done something new. If you were born under January, February, March, April, May, June, then this is your pile. If you were born under July, August, September, October, November, December month, then this is your pile. And we'll see and we'll check what is the message for you. This message can be from anyone, from your ancestor, from God, from angels, from spirit guides, spirit animals, your guides, your angels, from anyone, or general energy. Okay, whatever we will feel, we'll see. So if you are born under January to June, January, February, March, April, May, June, then this is your option. Option 1. This is small kite and thread reel. Okay, thread reel spin. Small kite and small thread spin. Sorry, excuse me for my hands. That's a sketch pen color. Okay, and second option is this pink small kite and thread reel, thread spin. This is the kite festival theme. So I hope you liked it. And if you were born under July, August, September, October, November, December, then this is your pile. And still, if you feel like, if you were born, for example, if you were born under July or December or August, but you still feel called to watch this pile, then watch this pile as well. Okay, and you can watch both the piles. There is no restrictions in that. You can watch both pile. So yeah, and hope you have chose your pile. This is option 1, January to June born, and this is option 2, July to December born. And let's see what is the message for you from your angels, guides, spirit guides, angels, God, or what is the energy for you. Okay, and if you were born under June, you can watch still the second option. There is no need to worry in that. Okay, so we'll see those who have chose this option. Okay, we'll keep this aside. Let's see what is the message for you. Okay, what is the energy for you? We'll shuffle it on camera. This card wants to come out. Okay, so 2 of Wands, 6 of Cups. You were waiting for someone in past. I feel like that, and still in that person's memory, you are still thinking of a past person. Some sort of judgment or ending has occurred in that relationship. You are also waiting for some sort of communication, wants new beginning with that person. Bottom of the deck, Queen of Pentacles. Top of the deck, King of Cups. So you and your person maybe were different in culture, difference in age, difference of countries, some sort of difference or different nature with your person you were dealing with, or maybe long distance relationship, or some sort of country religious changes, caste changes. You are waiting for that person. You are still missing that person from the past. And message for you is that angels will give you justice, guys. And there will be a new beginning for you with that person. If you were waiting for some person, if you're waiting for some parcel, it is coming. Okay, if you were waiting for some communication, it is coming. If you were waiting for money stability or some sort of stability in marriage or partnership, it is coming. Okay, and money issue will be resolved and sorted out. That is the message I am feeling for you. Let's see the charms. Few charms will take out. Yes, you guys have a lot of money. Those who have chose this pile, this option, who's born under January to June, even if you didn't if you didn't choose according to your birth month, then also I feel like money is going to come, and stability issue will be resolved. You guys are already abundant and rich. I feel like that. Wealthy, you belong to a wealthy background, a wealthy person. And if something is problematic in your marriage life or home life or stability, career, money life, it will be resolved, guys. It will be resolved, and your love will be come back to you. They will send you some message communication through SMS, through social media, some sort of message you'll receive, and you need to do some meditation and prayers. That is the message for you, and you'll come out of this controlling situation. If you feel stuck, I think you will come out of that situation. That is what is the message for you. Mm, I also want to pull out one monology card for you guys. Let's see what is the message for you. One monology card. When will be your problem will get to the solution? Hold your vision, a time to give rather than take, new moon in Virgo. So you need to do some meditation and prayer and positive visualization and affirmation, guys. And another message for you is that a time to give rather than take. So Virgo season will be important to you this season, in this year 2021 year, and you need to share something, whether you share your gifts, whether you share your time, whether you share your love or some money, because you have a lot of money. You need to share your gifts, love, money with others. That is the message for you, strongly coming up from angels and guides. And let's see, we'll see the messages from the person you are dealing with, or the person who is most on your mind, or the person you are waiting for, because I feel like you are waiting for someone. You are missing the past person, and something has ended, but you'll get justice with from the angels. So let's see the messages from that person. See, you're going to receive some sort of surprise and gift from that person, and new beginning is going to happen, like I've said. But you need to share your stuff with others, okay? Be loving, kind, and sharing to others. I'm not saying you are not that type of a person, or you are not doing it, but this is the strong message. You need to share your wealth, with someone who is in the need, or who is asking you for the help from you, okay? So surprise or gift, some sort of surprise or gift will be coming up for you, even if you are not waiting for the past persons. Then also, some sort of surprise gift is coming up for you from angels, God, universe, or your spirit guides, or your ancestors. I think the person whom you are thinking about is upset. I feel like that is the message, and they'll communicate to you, guys. They'll communicate to you. I'm in love with you, queen. So this person thinks that you are the queen. For them, this person can be your spouse, your ex, your soulmate, twin flame, situationship, anything, a current partner, anyone, okay? So they think you are a queen. Attracted and attached. You are attracted to this person, attached to this person. That is why you are still waiting and thinking of him, and they are also waiting and thinking of you. So they are attached to you, attracted to you. This is a message from your person, from the person who's most on your mind. I want to come back. They want to come back to you, towards you, if you had breakup or long distance relationship, or living in some different country or different place. Prayers and positivity. See, I've told you, like, you need to do some more prayers and positive affirmations and positive visualization, and you need to don't stop watching dreams. You need to keep on continuing to to your dreams. Hold your vision. That is the message for you, and do some prayers and positive affirmations, okay? That is the message from angels and God and universe, ancestors and spirit guides, whomever you believe in, okay? And from your person as well. You are like a green signal of my life. So this person is thinking like, you when you are in his life, everything is going great, and everything is, their heart chakra blossoms, their heart blossoms, everything is going green, like a green signal, go green. So everything is on for them, and if you are not in their life, everything is off for them. Okay, they have dedicated a song to you, Dangerous, featuring Sam Martin by David. Dangerous. Song's name is Dangerous, featuring Sam Martin by David. This is the song they have dedicated to you. You should listen to it. Might be some lyrics will resonate to you. I realized I was behaving devilish. So maybe this is your past person who was behaving devilish. Maybe he was not sharing his money. Maybe he was stingy type of a person in showing emotions or money, or showing love, and you are completely opposite. A lot of love and showing love, sweetness, kindness to them. and they were used to control you. A lot of red color also I am feeling. They were really physically attracted towards you, root chakra energy, because I am feeling the color of this thread reel or thread spins color is also red maroon. This is also the red color. Red angels wings are also red. So red color energy, root chakra energy I am feeling. So they were really attracted towards you. This is what I feel for you guys, pile 1. I hope you can see. I'll just adjust the camera. Okay, so this is the message for you, charms and messages, and I hope you guys liked it. Now let's see for the second pile. You can fast forward the video, no worries. Okay, now let's see those who have chose second option. What is the message for you? Those who have chose this pink kite and this thread reel spin, those who have born under July, August, September, October, November, December, even if you have not born under this option, this month, and you have selected this option, then this is your pile. Let's see, we'll just skip this aside. Option number 2. Let's see what is the message for you or energy for you, and energy check-in from God, angels, universe, messages from your ancestors, spirit guides, spirit animals, angel, universe, God. Let's see what is the message for you. You are also waiting for someone or what? If you were waiting for someone or was stuck in some situation, I think fast forward moment will come towards you. Maybe you were on some sort of twin flame, soulmate, spiritual journey, strong soulmate, spiritual connection. I am feeling the sun card. Wow, nice. Lot of abundance and money is going to come for you guys. If you wanted to do love marriage or with the person whom you love, you wanted to marry them, it will happen for you. This is the message from the angels, God and spirit guides. One extra card has pop out for you. So angels are working. See, I think you should also watch pile 1. Both are connected. In that pile I have received judgment card, and in your temperance card, angels wings are same. I don't know, I am feeling connected to pile 1 as well. So because they were also waiting for something or someone, and you are also waiting for something or someone, I'll just keep this aside. So I feel like, if you wanted to marry with the person you love, it is going to happen, because they also love you the same amount, the same way, and I am feeling a win-win outcome is that forecast message wanted to pop out. But let's see, we'll shuffle it more. 2 cards will take, okay, from Moonology deck. What is the message for you, pile 2? See, can you see the synchronicity, guys? This card wanted to pop out, and this card has came. It flipped around. So wow, angels are strongly with you guys. God, angels, universe, spirit guides, your spirit animals, spirit ancestors, spirit guides, spirit animals, they are strongly with you. These are these strong people, I feel like that. If you feel stuck in some situation and there is no communication between between you and someone, and you are waiting for the communication or for them to come, I think they are going to come and you will receive the communication from them. I feel like that. Doesn't matter if you were born under July, August, September, October, November or December. Doesn't matter. If you have chose this pile, this is your pile. If you are resonating with this pile, this is your pile. Your person can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You both love each other. You might be married to this person and you guys love each other a lot. If you are facing any issue in married life with this person, it is going to resolve, guys, and forward movement will come. If you are in separation or some type of situationship is going on, forward movement will be coming up and you'll share love with each other. I feel like that. And no communication will come, and you are going to get married with this person and you'll have a baby child. Baby child, what I'm saying. You will have a girl baby. You will have a girl child with this person. I feel like that. I also feel Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces sign strongly, Cancer sign, Scorpio sign, water element I'm strongly feeling, Leo sign I'm strongly feeling, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo I'm strongly feeling, Leo, Sagittarius and Cancer and Scorpio, Pisces are strong vibes I'm getting from this pile, and Libra sign also. And message for you is that a win-win outcome is forecast. So universe, God, angels are saying that, you know, whomever you believe in, your spirit guides, your ancestors, spirit animals, is saying that a win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. So in October month, you will see some sort of result. If you are in no communication with this person, you will communicate with them. If you want to get married, you will get married with them. If you want to get engaged, or else get engaged, or come into a committed relationship, you'll travel also in October month. I also feel like that. If you wanted to travel anywhere regarding work related issue, then also you'll travel. If you are facing any money issue or career issue, that will also be resolved. Another message for you is that your commitment is being tested. First quarter moon, so you were committed to this person, and God, universe is testing your patience and testing you, that you know how committed you are with this person, because you both love each other equally. And before getting forward movement, God, there is a small test from God, universe, angels. So this is the message from your ancestors and angels and God, that you know your commitment is being tested, and you'll see the result or outcome which will be in your favor in the month of October. You'll see the result in month of October. Leo sign, Sagittarius, Aries, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Strong I am feeling. Wow. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Wow. And you have received the 3 major arcana out of 5 cards. The sun, the Chariot, Temperance. So big things are going to happen. Wow. What a pile, man. You people are very great, guys. Wow. I'm loving it. Superb. I hope you can see all the cards. Now let's say the charms for you. See, what I feel is that, you know, if your person's birthday is coming and you are in separation, you will celebrate your birthday together, or some sort of celebration is coming in your life, and new beginning is going to happen, because 1 number in dice we have received. Maybe I told you, like some sort of spiritual journey, twin flame, higher level soulmate journey you are in with this person. See, twin flame charm, yin yang, black and white, dark and light. So, and some sort of transformation is going to come, because snake ring we have received. I hope you can see my camera, please focus. Snake sorry, that's a sketch pen color on my fingers, so please excuse me for that. So snake charm we have received, snake ring. So transformation, big transformation is going to come. You guys people will be more mature and changed, and you'll come to at one roof, at one family. It means you'll get married, committed, you'll be moving in together, living together. Some sort of family vibe I am getting from this person, from your and your partner. If you are married, then and if facing any issue with this person, everything will be resolved, because your ancestors are with you. This is my ancestor charm, and your ancestors are saying, spirit guide, spirit animals is saying that, you know, they are with you, your ancestors are with you, and you are going to get married with this person, because the sun card and 2 of cups and Temperance and Chariot, I am saying, because of that. Maybe if some third party or because of someone your relationship was spoiled, it is going to resolve. Your career situation or money situation was spoiled because of someone, don't worry, you are coming out of the darkness to the light, because the sun card we have received, and some sort of big transformation and change is going to come, and a win-win outcome. It means in your favor, everything will be in your favor. A big transformation and change is going to come, but you need to be patient till October month. So this is what I feel for you. Now let's see the messages from your person, the person who is most on your mind. Let's see the messages for you. Maybe you are not in communication with this person and you speak less, or your person speak less. So message for you is that you don't need to worry. and everything will be in your favor. Just this is just a small test from universe which you need to pass, and be patient, and you'll get married with the person you want. You'll get success if you want to get success in your career, business, job. If you want to come out of some stagnant situation, you'll come out of that. If you want to travel, you'll travel. If you want to forward moment in your life, you'll receive that, you'll get it. This is the message from angels. They are working behind the scenes for you. They are trying to balance the situation. The sun I am feeling in this, the sun I am feeling in this. Can you see the sunflower in this pile, in this card, and the sunflowers in this card as well? Lot of flowers, red color flowers, red color, yellow color, red color angels, yellow cups. So red, yellow, lot of red color, yellow color energy I am feeling. So maybe if you were having some chakra unbalanced issue, root chakra, or a confidence issue, it will be resolved. So let's see the message from your person. I have lost a chance with you. So definitely you are in no contact or separation or situationship with this person. You had a breakup with this person. Now they are saying I had a lost chance with you, but it is not over yet. It is not over, I'm telling you, because the Sun card, the Chariot, and the Temperance card we have received. It is not over. I realized I was behaving devilish. You can watch the pile 1 as well. This message I have received in pile 1 as well. I don't know. Maybe. I'm not sure. But I don't know. I'm feeling you are connected to pile 1. Maybe few messages resonate. You can watch. No matter if you were not born under... It's okay if you are not born under July, August, September, October, November, December. You can watch pile 1 because it is connected. I feel like that. I realized I was behaving devilish. So this person was not... toxic, behaving was toxic. So he will transform and change and shed a skin like a snake and changed person he will be, and he'll come towards you because he has lot of love, but some toxic or devilish behavior he was under in. See, karmic. I think he's dealing with karmic and he'll get his karma back, and then he'll come towards you. Girls Like You by Maroon 5. So this is a song he wants to dedicate to you. Girls Like You by Maroon 5. Third party over. Maybe this person has kept you in third party, but don't worry. You are going to get married with this person, and you'll be the mother or father of their children. I feel like that. Third party over. If any third party was there between you two, then 2 of cups and 2 number also, this flipped around 1 and 2. So growth will be there. You'll come into a partnership, celebration will come, you'll get married, you'll get engaged with this person. You need to be patient till October. I'm upset. So your person is upset. Maybe he has ditched you. I feel naked, I don't care, it's a life. Naked by Enric. So this is the song, another song. I don't care what they say, it's a life. That's the song, I Feel Naked by Enric. You can listen to this song. Maybe some lyrics will resonate with you. Let's see the another message from your person. You are beautiful. So your person thinks you are beautiful. Surprise gift. Wow. I think this charm has come in pile 1 also. I think, I'm not sure, maybe. So this person will give you some surprise or ring or commitment, engagement ring, some sort of transformation change is going to happen with this person, or this person will change completely and come to you after that. Your dreams haunt me because they are still missing you. They are daydreaming about you, and they have dreams about you. Your dreams haunt them. This is the message for you. You are my husband and wife. See, I told you, like, you are going to get married and have a girl child, or at least one child with this person. I feel like girl child you'll have with this person, and you are my husband wife. He or she thinks that, you are the wife and husband material, and you guys will come into union if you are separated with your person. So message from the universe is that don't worry, whatever situation you are facing, whether love situation, career situation, money situation, personal, professional, any situation, a win-win outcome will be in your favor. Maybe in October month or round about October month. This is just a period of a test, and you need to be patient, and angels are working behind the scenes to balance out the situation in your life, to heal your chakras, to heal them, to change the situation, to transform the situation. I also see that you guys are very much attached. Like I've said, you guys are on twin flame journey, so your soul is quite attached to each other. See, magnet and this clip, so you guys are attached to each other. And if you wanted to have money, so in your career, money success you want, career success you want, you will receive it. So that is what is the message from God, angel, universe, your ancestors, your spirit guides. So this is what I feel for you guys. Namaste, love and light to you. I hope you liked my kite theme. Happy kite festival to you. I hope you liked my messages, charm and tarot reading style. Thank you so much. Love and light to you, and I hope and pray that you have got your message or some insights and clarity you have got. And your coming up months and coming year will be filled with happiness and love. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.